Average of almost 30, strike rate of 1, 2, 3. That seems to be the going rate these days of the top order batsman. Strike rate of around 130 and an average of 30. Fakhar Zaman. Best score of 94. They need to get the best out of him in this situation. Extra height. There's some 200. Off and running into the gap. That's beautifully placed. Enough legs, and that makes it to the fence as well. So an auspicious start from the left-hander.
Testament to the wicket straight away. Sort of a land ball comes onto the bat and he just whipped it from the stumps to the onside. Off and running. Lahore Qalandars, especially Fakhar Zaman, should enjoy this trip.
Available. Oh, that's brilliant. That really is a strong drive down the ground. Andre Russell is a terrific fielder, but didn't have a chance really to stop it. It went like a bullet.
Just a tad fuller from Ilyas, and Sohail Akhtar stood up on the up, smashed it down the ground. Raced off the bat.
Yeah, excellent start by the... into the gap and 4. Yeah, he's frustrated all right because he just can't afford to go leg side or offside. It has to be precision driven bowling to keep him quiet.
Fine leg in the circle, and Fakhar Zaman needs no second.
Is lining it up, takes it comfortably. Such a confident catcher. It had to be middle, and it didn't get the middle part of the blade. And have a look at the ease with which Andre Russell absolutely gobbled it.
Very close to the fence, but it didn't matter. A little slow from Ilyas, gets his man. Elation. Shoaib Ali comes into the attack.
That's into the gap. Not such a great start by the off spinner. A half trekker, full for 4.
A gift to start off Salman Butt's PSL career. Short and put away.
Graham Smith. No, that's strong. There's a wonderful cast. Backward a point. Trademark from Fakhar.
Yeah. Gives himself room. Even though he gives himself room, what we like here, hitter still doesn't try and overhit it. He knows with the power play, just got to get it in the gap, which he does, all the way to the boundary. And Inzi was winning the game for Pakistan at that stage.
Bosh downtown, flat back, 50 up, inside the power play for the Lahore Qalandars. It's 50, 1 for 1 here.
And Inzi was winning the game for Pakistan at that stage.
Bosh downtown, flat back, 50 up, inside the power play for the Lahore Qalandars. It's 50, 1 for 1 here. T20 on a good surface. This time he stays still. And he has fatted this for 6. Wonderful strike here from Fakhar Zaman.
We just saw from those replays, giving himself room. The key though, whenever he moves, his head is really still. You see him at the crease here in the slow motion, he gets that front leg out the way. But the rest of him is really steady at the crease, so really good to see. It's a difficult job to do, but I tell you what, he's giving himself the best opportunity to hit the ball cleanly by standing still.
Yeah, I think the other thing here, Jonty, is that he has targeted this young man. Get out there, and he wanted that oil in the Zek Motor Oil Challenger. The odd injury there. Oh, bit of cheek. Bit of cheek indeed. It's gone all the way. Hey, hey, it's Friday, says Zaman. 89th HPL maximum. Just take a look at this.
This is brave because he misses. He's in a little bit of trouble. But even though he moves his feet around the crease from above the shoulder, he's pretty steady, this young man. He's playing some really good cricket. Tough man to bowl to. Pitch it up, it goes down the ground. Give him some width. He creates his own room. And then he pulls that out of the bag. Where do you bowl to him next?
The modern game. 360 degrees. For the Yorker, missed his mark. I tell you what, Fuckers Zaman didn't. 20 off the over. It's 76 for one.
I think we are right on track so far. Yeah, just we have got a 4 right now, and hopefully we're gonna chase it down. And Salman and Fakar both are playing really good so far, and I think we're gonna chase it down very good.
Well, thank you so much for your time and congratulations on the 3 wicket.
Thank you very much.
Back to you boys in the comm box.
Oh, thanks, Dutchie. 50 partnership here between these two. 85 for one and a cultured outside edge. No slipping, of course. On the move. Oh, and he's got a top edge. Has he got enough of it? Oh, you betcha. It has gone all the way. 10 done. It is 96 for one.
He's gone for the ramp again, there's nobody there, and it's effective. Hundred up for the Qalandars.
Well, an excellent innings, isn't it? He's mixed it up. Yes, we've said he's favoured the leg side, but he's thrown in some wonderful change-ups. He's looking who's in the ring, where can he pick up the easy boundaries.
How premeditated is a shot like that?
100% premeditated, Wilco. The only time you play that is when that short fine leg is in the ring. It's a trained and premeditated shot.
7th boundary. He might want to add another one. No, he finds the man out in the deep. Junaid Khan has removed Fakar Zaman, and that's a crushing blow for the Qalandars.
Huge blow. Looking to take on that mid-wicket boundary was Fakar Zaman. Just didn't get enough of it. In the end, a simple catch and a huge, huge blow for the Qalandars.
102 for 2. 99 required, 55 balls to do it. Ball in! Junaid Khan, it's a double strike.
It's a double strike, but a win for the Qalandars. He was there, they'll still believe the Qalandars.
It's gone up and over. AB with 4.
That's what I'm talking about. That's an easy shot for de Villiers. The width was offered. He just cut it over. Extra cover. Try and be too expensive. It's a controlled stroke for him.
Well, when he's in, you just don't want to take your eyes off him for a second. Now then, Visa 6.
Well, we said he had power.
Dancing shoes on, the long handles there. Oh, I think it clipped the top of our jet camera down there. Brilliant. 6 needed here from Lahore.
Well, he doesn't need any visa to hit a 6. The invite was there, it was a slice and a magnificent strike. And a glorious 6.
Visa. second again. Don't bother moving DW because he snotted this one up on the roof. In this format. Stand and deliver. Hard man to stop ABDV.
It's a 50 partnership as well, and what a straight drive this is. This is magnificent striking from AB de Villiers. He's in great power-hitting position. That he was able to beat the way in his favour here. Yeah, it's a tough call. This is an excellent run chase.
Go up and over. There you go. If you miss, you disappear. Bring on the night. What an entertainer.
Safe as a house in a tense situation. You want to go to AB de Villiers. He's nailed it. Went flat and went big for six. Yeah, went high in the air. And it was Shoaib Malik who called for it. Magnificent piece of catching. But then it all meant nothing in the air. Incredible result for the Qalandars.
Yeah, Akib Javed, he was up now looking at the monitor. Here's the freebie. Oh, stunning! The goes the note belongs to us. What a time! That is outstanding. And guess who? It's the skipper again.
It's the broom. He went to right, he went to left. Yeah, handling the sword, and what a great shot in the air, and great presence of mind. This is brilliant.
Live. And AB de Villiers is striking now at almost 183. He's got the ball in his sights and he's ready to rip roll some more.
Yeah, it's been like a samurai wielding a sword. He's on strike again. Andre Russell gets hammered. That's gone up in the air. That's gone for six again. AB de Villiers is turning it on. More misery for Multan Sultans. They're melting the Multans.
They sure are. And I tell you, the big Jamaican is furious. But you can't bowl length at this guy, this mood, at this junction. Oh, it's just too easy. 90 metres. Fella, be careful. I don't want you to... Is still in. Visa. Oh, and has he got us? Has he got lucky? Oh, he's got better than that, baby. It's gone all the way. Timing and panache. David Visa.
Andre Russell has bowled a bad length. Not needed that. Absolutely nothing delivery. Didn't have any pace. The length was perfect for the ball to sit up, and it went and did the distance. What a partnership.
Don't get down, the keeper has. Are we looking for a champagne supernova rover? Could there be one here in match 10? 3 from 1. Oh-ho.
This is top quality stuff. This is great bowling under pressure. He had to get every length right, every ball right, every change of pace right, and he's delivered so far. So this is it now. Qalandars need 3 from 1 ball.
2-2-2. Here we go. 2 for a tie.
So it's got to be a slow ball again on that middle leg stump. Got to repeat the effort again.
Fans are loving this. Oh, there it is! Your little ripper! David Visa! And look at far runner cutting loose. Oh, it went down to the last ball, but what a match we've witnessed here. He's Sharjah match 10, a last ball finish, and Visa smokes the last one out of the ballpark.
Yeah, I told you he was special in this partnership, and he applied the coup de grace, the final strokes, and the final nail in the coffin was delivered by Visa.
What a game.
Oh,
my God, what an incredible game in Sharjah. Lahore Qalandars pulling that one in, and A.B. de Villiers has definitely arrived to the HBL PSL 2019. The Multan